How to change payment method in Zara app. Whether you are using a credit card, debit card, PayPal, Apple Pay or another option. So let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Zara app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap onto the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you are in your account, here you will be able to see payment method or wallet option. Tap on it. You will see all the saved payment method connected to your Zara account. Then select delete. To add a new one, tap add payment method. Enter your credit or debit card details or choose PayPal, Apple Pay or Google Pay depending on your device. Make sure to double check your details to avoid checkout issues. If you are having trouble saving a payment method, make sure the app is updated. That's how you update your payment method in the Zara app. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.